How much does it cost to turn the average house into a smart home? Most assume a smart home merely has a basic hub for device control. However, it also involves advanced smart features. Let's begin. It is surprisingly cheap to get started on your smart home. A $70 Samsung SmartThings hub controls devices via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, and Z-Wave. We'll install ecosystems in 6 rooms for optimal coverage. Spent so far, $480. Smart lighting begins at $20 with a Lifts mini white bulb equipped with Wi-Fi. Colored versions cost $40 to $60. Realistically, you only need 2 smart door locks for your property. The August Smart Lock Pro, priced at $280, includes a sensor to alert when doors are ajar. 2 cost $558, bringing our total to approximately $4,700. A Ring video doorbell complements smart locks. We chose a $700 pack with a doorbell and floodlights. Budget options start at $140. Spent $5,400. Smart plugs economically convert regular devices to smart ones. IFTTT applets automate devices like heaters. Premium brands cost $30 for 2. $300 allows 12 outlets in 6 rooms. Spent $5,700. Motorized blinds, costly smart devices, cost $300 to $500 each, increasing with size and fabric. Covering 18 windows costs $6,000 to $7,000 with Lutron blinds. A cheaper option is retrofit motors that open or close blinds for about $150, supporting Alexa and HomeKit. IKEA's Furtour and Cadrilge blinds start at $129. Going fully bespoke with Lutron costs around $6,500. Spent so far, $12,200. A smart thermostat like Nest or Ecobee optimizes heating and cooling efficiently, saving on energy bills. Spent so far, $12,700. Is your smart home complete without robotic vacuum cleaners? Prices range from $100 to $800, with iRobot's Roomba leading. We'll invest $600 for 2, enhancing cleanliness across spaces. Spent so far, $13,300. Prices for security cameras vary. The $20 Wyze Cam Pan V4 is affordable, while Google's Nest starts under $200. 2 outdoor and 1 indoor camera cost around $300 to $600. Spent so far, $13,700. Beyond cameras, smart home security needs sensors for open windows, doors, motion, and smoke detection. Options include DIY or pro installation. Abode's $299 kit adds $29 sensors. Total $14,000. Installing smart irrigation systems like the Ratio 3 or Orbit Beehive saves time and money by adjusting water use. A robotic lawnmower costs around $1,000. Total spend $15,000.
Go to GearBrain for more information.